Hi guys, today cooking with the Salsa Queen, I am going to show you how to make an amazing salmon with our newest chimichurri sauce. Okay, so we have a nice piece of salmon over here and we're going to put it right here in this pan. And the first thing that we want to do, we want to put some salt. Yes, a pinch of salt to bring all those amazing flavors. I have right here some paprika and cumin, and we're gonna just sprinkle it everywhere in our salmon. These are gonna bring such an amazing flavors. And we're gonna do some butter. Let's put some butter in here. My mouth is like watering and I've been eating like all day, so what's wrong with me? I just love food. And now we're gonna put the magic, our amazing new chimichurri. We're gonna put it all over the salmon. And this is such an amazing and summery recipe. Everybody's gonna enjoy it. You know, the first time that I made it for my kids, they were going crazy for the chimichurri. And my friends too, they've been asking me for years, when are you gonna bring the chimichurri to sell? And finally we are ready. So I am super excited about this recipe in particular. And just as easy like that, we're gonna cover it with some foil paper and we're gonna put it in the oven for probably 20 minutes at 340. And now, while the salmon is cooking, let's go make a nice bed for the salmon. Okay guys, so now we're gonna make the bed where we're gonna lay the salmon with the chimichurri. So we wanna put a little bit of oil in our cast iron pan. And we're gonna put, this is zucchini. Whoa! Man, that goes forever. Whoa! This is fun. Okay, enough. I don't want it all. We're gonna fry it for a little bit. I have it too high. Here we go. So we wanna just stir fry it just for a little bit, and we wanna add some salt. And then the magic happens. We're gonna put some of our pico de gallo. Yeah, well, I'm just gonna go like that. All these veggies. Oh yeah, I can smell that. And you don't want to cook it all the way. You still want some crunchiness in it. So we're just going to saute for a little bit. Oh my gosh. Look at this beauty. Isn't that amazing? Salmon with butter and the chimichurri, a little bit of spices, paprika, and cumin. And now we have right here our bed of zucchini with a pico de gallo, and we're just gonna put it right here. And now the magic, we have some salmon here. So amazing. Oh yeah, there you go. Just a little bit of cilantro for the cilantro chimichurri and some pieces of lime. Okay, so let's put a little bit of chimichurri on top to top it up. Oh, so amazing. And now, I don't have anybody here to try it today, so my friend, the cameraman, is gonna try it. Thumbs up. You guys have to make this at home. Our newest one, chimichurri. Make sure to like this video, subscribe, and check out our other videos. Thank you for cooking with Salsa Queen.